Nice me, Custom Cruise. Okay, we've got the braided cable into the headlight. You can see it looks crack on. This is going to go into this 3-pin here. We've got to take one off here for the indicator harness to light up in the speedo. Okay, so this will give you your high beam indication in a speedo. New bracket arrived. This was just a mock-up off a Island Nest, believe it or not, speedo mount for an FXR. This is the proper one in here. I don't know if you can see it, but basically this is a much better one. We haven't got to cut this down and ruin all the chrome. But getting it is a slow old job, as you can see here. This is basically going to the switch. It's just been temporarily wired up with one of these things so we can see if it works. And here's the one that it goes to. So these will all be wired up, you know, in proper plugs, these Deutsch plugs as they're called, the cracking plugs. Okay, if you're interested, 01773835666, customcruises.com. Thank you.